Incremental greetings. I'm going to present to you what I think is the most obscure, hidden, arcane window in SuperMemo. Not in SuperMemo 19, but any release, or release from the last 10 years. So basically, if you go to Help and About, you get this, okay? You can change the image, the picture, go to the SuperMemo world, and so on. But I have been told this, I haven't found out. I needed to be told that. There is one extra window you can access from this window. So if you hover at the top left corner, you will notice it requires some precision because it's like 10 pixels or less. Here you go. You will see that it's changing the hover icon. So if you click, I have never seen this in my life. So basically are the credits of the contributions. And yes, this is SuperMemo 19, and the credits are for SuperMemo 16. So basically, SuperMemo 17 and 18, you can check that. This window appears, and it's still outdated. But the title is outdated. The contents are not. There have been 2 additions. So you have Piotr Wozniak about the software they use, and to the bottom are special thanks to the unusual and lasting contributions to SuperMemo. And voila, here you go. Those are the additions. Alexis and myself. My nickname in English, William Palace. Nice, I'm immortalized. Nice to know that I'm immortalized. And I think if I haven't done this video, no one will have ever seen that, including myself. Yeah. So good to know that Alexis got credit for his work of many, many hours with SuperMemo Assistant, that he reverse engineered a lot of SuperMemo things because it's compiled code. There's no other way to do it. And he kept updating the assistant for quite a lot, several years. Not anymore, but for several years, quite long term. So he invested also with the SuperMemo Wiki, the website, the Discord community, actually. There was one before, but the one that is used now is the SuperMemo Wiki that was banned for the SuperMemo system originally. And then it's me, William Palace, Guillem Palau. Nice. Also, you can tell this pops a lot because most of the names are or look Polish. So those are easier to spot. So it's good to know that now I have been immortalized. It's the same in Anki, by the way. Since Anki 2.1, I appear in the credits. Here you go. Now the list is a lot larger, but the actual placing will change a little on the version you're running because more names are being added across time. Here's my full name, Guillem Palau Salva. With translated to English is William Palace. And the second name doesn't have any translation. So it's been 6 years that I have been in the credits, since May 9th, 2017. No worries, I have checked that for the sake of the video. I didn't memorize that. Now I memorize it, even if I don't want to, but I was not aware of the exact date. And I could say that in SuperMemo, the official date, at least, September 25th, 2023. So 6 years and something later. So you have like Oscars for actors or Nobel Prizes by scientists. So for me, that's the equivalent. So it's the maximum I can get. Oh, nice. That's the token of appreciation into 2 apps that I invested more time in my life, which are Anki and SuperMemo. Most recently SuperMemo. And I didn't request that. That was popped out of the blue. I got an email. Hey, do you know how you can find this this window? And I saw my name here. And I tried. And I didn't succeed. So I had to be told how to get there. The contributions window. Yeah, I know this is it's not a useful window to use in SuperMemo. So yeah, I made it to the credits. Nice. So nothing more to add today, and see you incrementally.